Good morning. On the way to the airport. She's dropping me off, and Shala, Arens, and Michelle are gonna come pick me up at the airport. They're on their way now to Las Vegas. So, Chubby Con 2020. Here's my sister dropping me off.
Hi, good morning.
Just got done talking to the hotel reservation, and apparently I put the wrong name. And right now, Michelle and the crew, the Chubby Con crew, just landed, and we're gonna be eating at a Shake Shack. And so I'm just waiting for flight to board around 8:40. So yeah, freaking sleepy, hungry. So I'll see you guys later. How's the flight?
Okay naman ang flight.
Yeah. You guys wanna eat?
You? I know. Ano sabi ko, share na lang kami.
Saan? Welcome to... Not yet.
Almost.
It's meant to be. Good tour. What? Nola tour. So we just got here in Nola, and it took like 3 hours to fly. So we are all hungry,
Hungry na naman.
hungry na naman.
Anong nola na iya?
Nola. Nola. I think we're in the wrong airport. Naiya. Terminal. We are here at Bourbon Street, and we are checked in at Crown Plaza. So first time going out. Here's Chelsea, our tour guide, our local resident tour guide. So we're gonna go grab food.
Yes.
What are we gonna eat?
Michelle said jambalaya.
Jambalaya? Chubby Con 2020.
Jambalaya.
Yeah. Shala, your store.
What? Hustler. What? Yes,
Aren. Oh, sorry. Shala already got her first bite. Chelsea.
Seafood platter.
What is that? Seafood platter?
Fried seafood platter. Iba sa panlasa. I don't know.
Dinuguan. Nice.
Just ready. Yeah, ready.
We're here at, where are we? Old Nola? Old Town Nola? So we are just about good. Bye. So my ganto. Yeah, we just got done eating at the Old Nola's Cookery. It was good. Mine's like a 3-star.
There's 3-star for you.
Maybe 2.5 actually.
I'm just shallow.
Yeah. Shallow's probably doing
I'll
a
give
5.
mine 4.
4?
Yes.
Yeah.
I'll give it 3.5 kasi yung hush puppies.
Those puppies was
Orders are wrong.
really wrong.
Ayun bang ano?
The jalapeno, yeah, dude. Like their version of their chocolate butternut was really wrong. Hey, where are we at right now?
St. Louis Casino. Ah, sorry, ito ka ba kinasal? No. Ayun, hindi mo parang Quiapo yan. Ang
Right?
kinakasal.
LSU, I don't know where we're at. We're like a bad vlogger, photographer. So yeah, we just take photos and mostly eat food.
You want to see good food?
That's us. Always eating, trying to update our Instagram. Let's see. We love you, New Orleans. Is that where? Take photo right there. Huh? Oh yeah. Sige. Alin ang kukunan?
Ano to? Mississippi ba?
Cafe du Monde. I think they're closed. This is what we came for here.
And not her.
Beignets. Beignets and not her. Alright. Judge. The judgers. Go. Going to Surrey's for brunch. Here is the Chubby Con team. Hi.
We're here at Magazine Street, the other street they said to visit. So
We're gonna grab brunch because we woke up late and it's almost noon.
Surrey's cafe and juice.
Yeah.
Or are you gonna get a juice?
I'm gonna get everything. I'm hungry like that. So here is Surrey's. Yeah. I'm getting a crab omelet maybe? Crab meat. And one check only per table. Okay, go check in. Saints.
Los Angeles Lakers.
So we just saw Drew Brees walking around earlier, and pretty much that was the highlight. He didn't want to take photos. What? So yeah, smooth. This is what we are doing if we are not eating. So this is hotel. Yeah, because we don't have any plans on itinerary or doing anything here. Just chill trip. Yep. Yep. And but right now we're thinking of where to eat. So, but we're going back to the hotel.
For lunch.
Yeah. Probably Bourbon Street
For
again
lunch.
for lunch.
And here, I have baon.
She has baon, like she can't really, like she's gonna cry again after the bite. Okay.
Shala! Maiwan na tayo ng bus!
Alright, bro, I got you. Look. Fuck it, they ain't gotta clean that spot out the floor. I got that spot.
Jolly pink, yeah.
No problem. They cross some sweat on the floor. Hold on, watch out.
closed down?
Yeah, they
Blocked
normally chorus for chorus.
Yeah.
Yeah, because they normally have people here, jam packed. First time here?
Yeah.
Yeah, you know.
We're here at the Myers party. So they booked a table and this is like a VIP kind of trip. Reserve. Yeah. So we got salad here. Caesar nachos. Chelsea's first time. They got hitched yesterday. So this is their
First time.
yeah. So jazz band. Cruise. There you go. So the boat trip is almost done. Almost going back, and we're gonna be eating again when we dock. So yeah. So we went to Liberty Island, but it wasn't there no more. So
They moved it.
they moved it. Welcome to Riverwalk. See right there. Welcome to Riverwalk. Yeah. So this is the skyline of the Mississippi River. So we're done. That was like a 2-3 hour boat tour with dinner. Good shot. Somebody's happy. Upbeat. Here. Yeah, hindi natin na-try ito. Sa baba. Captain Salon. Siya po ay kasalukuyang nagtatawa na ng sarili. Last night in New Orleans. Michelle had the most fun.
Especially her sleeves. Her sleeves say fun.
Look at her. Kaya pala kasi ito ay hindi kita kanina. Yeah. Yep. Well, that was fun, guys. I'm glad we made this trip.
Formal. Maglagay ka nung naka-coat ka, tapos nakaganyan. Formal on the outside, party on the inside.
Good night. Well, not yet. We might get hungry later, so.